Winter is coming.
Winter's coming.
Yes, the geese are flying south. The leaves on the trees are beginning to change. Summer season has ended. Time to pack up and head south. We're going to go to Elkhart, Indiana, get some modifications and improvements from MorRyde. We are Steve, Stephanie, and Teddy. Join us as we explore through retirement in our RV. One last night in Sister Bay for a supper club, an old-fashioned prime rib.
The next day.
Slides are in. Teddy's getting one last walk before we head out. We're traveling to Elkhart, Indiana, out to Twentynine Palms, and to Cocoa Beach in a matter of 20 days. Ready? Ready? Just look at that color. It's sad to leave in a way, but knowing that we're going where it's warm, we're in a happy place. Downtown Bailey's Harbor. We'll see you next year. The Highway 42 bridge connecting Sturgeon Bay to the peninsula of Door County. Lake Michigan is on my left, or port side, and the Bay of Green Bay is on my right, or starboard side. This has got to be some good luck. A double rainbow. And we had to be weighed before we get to MorRyde for the independent suspension edition. So good morning. We made it to Elkhart. Today is Monday, Indigenous Peoples Day. And we are in Elkhart because we're headed over to MorRyde, get a few modifications done. We are going to put a slider tray into that compartment of the 385 so that I can easily gain my adult beverages from the outside. We are also going to change out our pin box From that to the MorRyde. There's the Starlink. We are going to change out our stairs. I just don't like these Lippert stairs, so we're going to put the MorRyde in. Love the safety rail, just love it. Oh, and the biggest thing we're doing, yep, independent suspension. Our travels from Door County yesterday, that was a long travel day, about 9 hours, due to construction and traffic. Don't like doing that, but the roads weren't too bad, but the roads that were bad, they were bad. When you can feel it in your pickup truck, magnify it 5-10 times for the RV. It's horrible. So we had a lot of shake and loose. One of our clothes hanging bars broke, so we might stop by Alliance, see if we can get some replacement parts while we're here. But the truck, love the truck. The 2023 F450 dually. Most of the time it feels like I'm not even pulling anything. Love it. And again, that turning radius makes all the difference. I am a believer because I had the 2022 F350. Sometimes I think this 450 turns better than the F150. It's incredible. But we're going to button things up. We didn't even unhitch last night, and we're heading over to MorRyde. We'll see you there.
Pretty good job of backing up, if I don't say so for myself. As soon as we checked in, I had to pull it out of my group parking spot so that they could do some initial measurements. And once we reparked it, we found some issues. I guess the roads coming down were a lot worse than I thought, because this was not present when we left Door County. The front end cap is just showing signs of gaps and separation. I don't know where that came from. So, while in Elkhart, we'll reach out to Alliance, see if they have a service date available for us.
The next morning,
I stopped by to see how they were doing. They only give you about 20 to 30 minutes to access your rig while it's on the floor. Pretty cool and smooth operation to watch. Being that our rig is a 2021 and independent suspension wasn't even a thought, we could not use the bolt-on method. Welding was required.
Just fits.
And as we were getting the welded type, clearance became an issue. They said, don't worry, the rig will be in and out. If not, they'll just remove the garage door. I then went and picked up Stephanie, and we headed over to Alliance again for their food truck charity drive. A little shopping,
One pair of pants later.
Gonna be the MorRyde guy now.
Yeah, I may as well. They should be giving me a commission.
Yeah, they should.
Maybe a discount code.
After a few measurements, we are now at 13 foot 7 inches tall. We were 13.6 before. We are headed to Alliance. Always, thank you for watching, and join us next time as we find out what's wrong with the rig.